Jeff Popiel with Geotech Environmental Equipment here in Denver, Colorado. We're a manufacturer of products and we export around the world. In order to do so, we import products, and we do so for the most part without duties and taxes. And we're dependent on that. If they were taxed, we would have to raise the price of the goods of our products before we export them. And if we're taxing other people's products as they come into our country, they then tax our products as we export to their country. So free and fair and open trade makes it for a dynamic global economy where parts are made where it's most efficient to be made around the world, and that's the way it should be. Trade matters, and trade builds Colorado.